Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram ingress timeout. To know how to fix Instagram ingress timeout, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram here like this. When you will find this page, you will go down to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will go to clear cache. Then here you will click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.